Have you ever come across any asset investment profile that stacks up better than silver at this present moment?
It's always silver with you. What is it?
Well, I mean, that's part of it where I can't think of anything I've studied, traded, or read about historically that is as mispriced as silver right now. And I'm curious if anything comes to mind that is that fair in your opinion to really phrase it that it really is perhaps that extreme, the mispricing?
Yeah, hey, Elon Musk's robo-taxi fleet that he's promising, right? Isn't he saying he's going to have 1 million robo-taxis, and once automatic pilot is perfected, he's going to stop producing cars and just have you know, I don't think the market's giving enough value there to that. Maybe that's cheaper than silver right now. No, all kidding aside, look, I'm with you on silver. I've always felt that silver has been undervalued relative to gold, relative obviously to the stock market and the bond market. I mean, the gold silver ratio right now is 92-1. It's absurd. You know, silver gets pulled out of the ground at a ratio of about 9-1, 9 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. You know, over very extraordinary long periods of time, you know, the average gold silver ratio has been 16. You know, it's varied around that. I don't, you know, will we ever see that again? I don't know. I always thought we would. And I think we could even see a lower gold silver ratio. You know, it's 70% of the silver that is produced is used for industrial applications. So it depletes. Now, some of that gets recycled. So it's not 100% depletion, but, you know, 70% is, you know, the world needs it, you know, to make your life better. Right. And 70% of the silver that's produced is a byproduct of base metals mining. When you have a bad economy, base metals mining contracts. So that's going to affect the mine supply of silver. I agree with you. I mean, I think both gold and silver, and more so silver than gold, are not just wealth preservation assets right now. I also think they're undervalued as investments. So I think if you buy gold and silver right now, you can expect that over the next 2 to 3 years, maybe more, you're going to have a rate of return that you know, I think gold and silver outperform the stock market over the next couple of years. I mean, if you look at it since 2001, gold has outperformed the stock market from 2001 to now. And then it's went through a period of underperformance, you know, after 2011. And I think gold will outperform the stock market going forward from here for the foreseeable future, you know, again, defined as anywhere from 2 to 5 years. And to the extent that gold does that, silver will do it even more. So, because at some point that gold silver ratio is going to start coming down. It bottomed out, I think in 2011, it was, I don't know, low 30s, something like that. And I actually think, and we can figure it out, what's 825 divided by 50, right? That would have been your gold silver ratio in 1980, 1981. So, you know, to me, silver right now is the ideal investment. And I would start with buying silver bullion coins, silver eagles, silver maple leafs, whatever your favorite flavor is of that. And then if you want to put some in your trading account, I'd probably use either the Sprott ETF or just use SLV. Although I still am an advocate for, you know, if you're going to invest in gold and silver, buy the physical and keep it yourself.